Hey Mr. Python.
Crazy people IT.
Crazy people it.
This season we're going to set up a personal assistant to help us keep our day-to-day organized. There will be episodes in which we will increment the assistant's actions and functions. This episode we're going to set up the basic structure so we can start it. It is about giving voice and interacting with it, sending commands. Throughout the development, we will improve the functions according to our needs. We will create two files called speak and detect command. The speak function will serve for our personal assistant to talk to us.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, Python Shorts.
In this function we will use the technique of holding down a key to send a voice command to interact with the assistant. Now we will increment the audio recording while the key is held down.
Hey Mr. Python.
Crazy people IT.
Crazy people it. Hey Mr. Python.
Give me a beer.
Give me a beer. Hey Mr. Python.
Hello everyone, my name is Neo. Thanks for watching.
Hello everyone, my name is Mia. Thanks for watching.